Give you a quick and easy hack should you ever need to record a presentation and also have a speaker inset. And if you don't have professional tools or a lot of time, this is a great way to do it. And it's using the conferencing software Zoom. So to get started, what I recommend you do is get the presentation or whatever material it is that you want to display on the screen open first. In this case, I'm going to be doing a PowerPoint presentation. Then what you're going to do is open the Zoom application, which is shown here, and you're going to start a new meeting. What you're going to be doing is having a meeting with yourself and recording that meeting. So in this case, I also like to always make sure that I'm using the best audio possible. I do have an external mic connected, as shown here, and I'm going to just verify that that is working properly. We'll see that here. So we've got that done. Next, what we're going to do is share our screen. So with that, I'll share the screen and select desktop. So now our desktop is being shared. And next, I'm going to bring up the PowerPoint presentation, which is here. I'm going to slide that over. I'm going to maximize that screen. And now what we're going to see is the PowerPoint presentation in the background. And we're going to configure next our video inset. You'll see that the video here is in the upper right-hand corner. If you click on this, you can grab it and move it around. What you can also do is, by clicking in that lower left corner, expand it and decide how big you want the speaker inset to be. So I've got that sized where I want now. Let's get into slideshow mode. So now we're in slideshow mode and we're ready to begin our presentation and begin recording. Up at the top is the Zoom menu. And obviously before we get started, we want to check our mic. In this case, we are muted, so let's unmute that. And the final step, of course, is simply to begin recording. So that's what we're going to do here. Under the More menu with the three dots, you'll see a variety of options. We're going to record on this computer, and we're off to the races. So we're in the presentation now. The presentation is being recorded. We can now step through the various presentation slides as long as we want, say whatever we want. At the point that we are done recording, or if we even want to pause recording, we come back to this More menu with the three dots. Again, you could pause if let's say there was an interruption or some reason to temporarily suspend recording. You can do that here. We are going to stop recording, which now has happened, and we'll pretend that the meeting is over. So we will close out of PowerPoint and then begin the process of ending the meeting, which will allow us to save the file. So we're going to stop sharing the screen. Now we can end the meeting. We'll end it for all, which is in this case just us. And we'll see this little dialog box come up as the audio and video are being converted to be saved. That will be done here shortly. At this point, we can choose where we want this file saved. So I've got it saved under my Documents folder, in a folder called Zoom, and it will be saved as a default by the Zoom system with date and time stamp. You can choose to name it whatever you want. So we will do that right here, and there you have it. So it's a very simple system to allow you to do that. I hope this is helpful to you, and good luck with your presentations.